The only question is,
okay.
and the only memory is G for Godse.
No, it's not about Godse. As I was questioning Tuhin, he didn't answer about even one of the points that I raised. So now, Tuhin, I'm asking you again. Manrega was a demand-driven supply, which is a very logical thing to do. That you make the according to the demand, you make the arrangements for it. But this scheme, it will be for the first time that a supply is going to accommodate the demand in every state. As per the Hindu report, I was reading the section 5, subsection 1 of this bill. It says that not only the center has the power to allocate funds, but it will also notify the rural areas where the scheme will be implemented. Why are you going to do this?
Exactly the point that you should have raised in Parliament, my friend. The news is asking you that question. Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Faizan Kidwai just proved a point. He just proved the point that I made. They didn't debate the bill. They have a problem with the name because everything is in a name. मुझे बता दीजिए इंडिया अलायंस का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? इंडिया का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? In the India Alliance, please tell me what does India stand for in the India Alliance?
Navika, would you please let me first ask certain questions to Bharatiya Janata Party?
I'm asking you, sir. What does India stand for in the India Alliance?
Navika, would you just let me please?
Google मत करिए. India Alliance में what does India stand for?
National.
बोलिए.
बता तो दिया आपको.
क्या?
National.
India. National.
Indian. क्या इंडिया अलायंस का पूछेंगे ना?
हाँ जी.
हाँ तो बता तो दिया आपको इंडियन नेशनल डेवलपमेंटल इंक्लूसिव
गूगल हो गया.
अरे तो गूगल क्यों हो गया? अरे
40 सेकंड लेटर. अभिजीत अय्यर मित्रा, लास्ट वर्ड टू यू.
नाविका जी, this is not fair. You did not give me a chance.
He said Abhijit, not Ashwini. भाई मेरे को तो बोलने दो.
Allow me to at least.
Let's see if he
in America there is Trump derangement syndrome, Navika. I think in India right now we have Modi derangement syndrome. It has been there for a long time. And their willingness to see GE as Godse in everything. Garam masala is actually Godse masala. Did you know that? That G in it is actually an RSS conspiracy. Gandhi, the name itself is a RSS conspiracy. It is actually Godse Andhi that became Gandhi. So Garam Masala, Godse, these are all RSS conspiracies.
Well, really, that is the simplistic